Do you ever get tired of all the mom things that you have to have in your car that are usually rolling around on the floorboards? Well, so was I. So I was looking into this FORTEM Trunk Organizer, and honestly, I wish I had done this a long time ago. When I first pulled it out, it was folded flat, which I liked right away because it doesn't take up space when you're not using it. Setting it up was super simple. I mean, it was very basic. You just unfold it, pop the sides into place, adjust the compartments how you want. There's no tools and no confusing instructions, so it really just takes less than a minute. Putting it to work is where it really proves itself, though. For a mom car survival kit, I loaded it up with all the random things that usually live in my trunk and just roll around every time I turn a corner. So things like bug spray, sunscreen, umbrella, box of tissues, a first aid kit, my portable air compressor for my tires. Now, normally all of that would be sliding corner to corner every time I hit a turn. But once everything was inside this organizer, it stays put. We were sent this trunk organizer to test out, and right away I noticed the non-slip bottom actually works. The compartments keep things separated, the straps help secure it down, it has a soft cover which I like, and it's made of sturdy material. And honestly, if you're a mom, you already know. This is just one of those simple little things that makes a big difference in everyday life, especially if your car doubles as your storage space because, let's be real, it does.